Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Halloween's officially over and it's time to start celebrating. I'm going to add some holiday themed puddle lights to the bottom of my Tesla Model Y to help accessorize my car, customize it. It's super easy to do. Let's get into it. So if you've been a member of the channel for a while, you've definitely seen me install puddle lights before. The puddle light is the little light that shines on the ground when you open your door. It just gives you a little spotlight on the ground to help you get out of the car and provide some actual light when you're exiting. It's super easy to customize them to lots of different options. I've done ones that are sports team logos, my actual YouTube channel, the Tesla word, a dynamic Tesla logo that's really cool. So lots of options for customizing your puddle lights. You can do the plaid logo, the performance logo if you own a Model 3 or Model Y Performance, all kinds of cool stuff. These puddle lights in particular are holiday themed. I got these from Test Studio, especially right now during their Black Friday sale. They're incredibly inexpensive. And what a fun way to accessorize your car. It only takes about 60 seconds to swap them out, and they're really cool. So let's just go ahead and crack one open and I'll show you guys what they actually kind of look like when you get them. This is it. It's a very simple, just light replacement. These are made very high quality, lots and lots of metal around to act as a really high quality heat sink. Years ago, these puddle lights used to have issues where they could interrupt your window motor to move your window up and down when you open your Tesla door. I haven't heard of any issues with any of these new high quality puddle lights. They've really figured that out. You're not going to have any shorts or problems with these. They're really nice. So all they're going to do is shine a little light on the ground to help kind of celebrate the holiday. So what a cool invention. I really like it. Let's go ahead and walk through the process to how to get these installed. So as I mentioned, installing your puddle light is extremely simple. If you come down here underneath kind of your driver and passenger side door, both the front and rear doors have these puddle lights. You'll see it right down in here. It's very simple. It's as simple as taking a either flathead screwdriver, a trim tool, something like that, just prying out the old puddle light. You'll see that there's a simple cord attached to it with a little tab where you need to release that tab. Go ahead and release that. Pop out your old light. You'll hear the driver's window, whichever door you're working on, go down a little bit. As soon as you're done with that, plug in your new puddle light. You'll hear that window return to where it's supposed to be. And then go ahead and pop that puddle light back up in the socket. About 60 seconds is all it takes me to change these out. They're super customizable and just a fun way to accessorize your car. So after about 3 minutes of work, I'm ready to spread some holiday cheer in my Tesla. This puddle light you can clearly see is a Tesla Santa with the beard, the red hat. Super cool. I love the two-tone where you actually get the color and the actual white. So pretty cool on this side. On the other side, I went ahead and installed the other puddle light. Let's walk over there. I'll show you what we're working with on this side. As we open it up, it's a Tesla Christmas tree, or kind of a Christmas tree theme with lights and kind of some golden swirls, but another colorful puddle light display. Really cool way to spread some holiday cheer. Let me get you guys some shots of this at night so you can see how bright it looks and the difference between just kind of the daytime in my garage. What a fun and simple modification for your Tesla. Like I said, I probably have about a dozen different sets of puddle lights now, and I like to customize them and change them out depending on the time of the year. I put in my favorite sports teams puddle lights during that season. I'll change these out for Christmas time now. I have some awesome dynamic changing puddle lights and things like that. And I love just changing them out. It's a super simple 2-minute job to actually change out your puddle lights, offer a little bit of that self-expression, and really just kind of celebrate whatever you want. So I really like these puddle lights. What kid wouldn't love having a little Santa shine down on the ground as you get out of your Tesla at night, especially a Tesla Santa? We love our cars, right? So again, I got these puddle lights from Test Studio. If you're shopping during November, right now is their Black Friday sale. Using my discount code GAMBLE1080 will save you 36% on their website on any accessory. That's more than any other discount they're currently offering. If you use my creator code, GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen, it helps save that 36% across their entire website. Their biggest sale of the year is on right now. I highly encourage you to go check it out. If you've been waiting for any Tesla accessory, any of the other amazing things that I've done to my car from Test Studio, go check it out now. I'll have a link to their website in the description, as well as a link to these puddle lights in case you were just curious about getting these. Again, with my discount code, they're about 40 bucks for the set of 2 puddle lights. I think it's a really good deal for some Christmas fun. But again, 36% off anything. Make sure you go check it out. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. I sincerely appreciate it. While you're here, make sure to check out my Amazon storefront. I'll have a link to that down in the description as well. Lots of awesome Tesla accessories, Tesla camping, electric scooters, bikes, all that kind of good stuff, just in time for Christmas too. So thank you guys for everything, for all the support on the videos. I really appreciate it all. Let me know what are your favorite puddle lights down in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.